Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make this Matchbook Ghirardelli holder. Isn't it cute? We're making it Halloween themed today. When you open it, it's got this little pocket inside. Hopefully you can see that from the side. And it holds the Ghirardelli chocolate. And it will also fit anything that's about that size of a Ghirardelli chocolate. So we're going to make this one today, the Halloween theme, but then we made this one in the glitter pit yesterday, and it's using the copper. Isn't that beautiful? And then you open it and it's got the Ghirardelli chocolate in there, and I used the designer paper for this one. So we're going to also switch this one up too and use designer paper for the inside. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So let me give you all the measurements that we're going to need for the pieces. The basic black piece is cut at 7 3/8 by 2 3/4. And then I'm using for the inside pouch, this is cut at 2 3/8 by 5 3/4. And then you're going to need 4 squares, and I'm using the Toil and Trouble designer paper for the insert and then also for the front. And these are all cut at 1 by 1, and you'll need 4 of them. Okay, so we're going to grab our Stampin' Trimmer and get some scoring done. Okay, so we're going to score the black piece first. We're going to score along the 7 3/8 side. So the first score line we're going to make is at 3 inches. And then scoot it down to 3 1/2, and then 6 3/4. This is going to make our cover piece of our little matchbook. So it's going to cover up like that, and then this is going to tuck inside of the front little flap there. And then for the insert, the little pocket, we're going to score along the 5 3/4 inch side. And the first score line is going to be at 2 1/4. 2 1/2, 2 3/4, 5, 5 1/4, and 5 1/2. Okay, so then when you're folding the score lines, you're going to fold them like an accordion style. So the first score line at the end is folding down, and then you're just going to fold it back and forth. Just like that. And then you're going to come over here to this side and do the same thing. So back, down, down that way. And then the other one is coming up, just like that. So then this is going to make your little pouch right here, like this. Okay? All right, so let's move our trimmer. Right, so let's grab some liquid glue. I'm going to use the multi-purpose liquid glue. And I'm just going to put a strip of glue along this edge to close up the little pouch. Just going to hold that together for just a second, and then we're going to do some stamping. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Spooky Sweets for the Spooky Sweet stamp in this stamp set. And remember, this is also available in a bundle with the Spooky Bats Punch. You can purchase these both together and save 10%. And then we're also using the Takeout Treats for the inside of our little pouch, and it's less tricks, more treats. So we're going to use that today. So we're going to go ahead and grab some Whisper White, and we're going to go ahead and stamp. We're going to use the Memento ink. I'm going to go ahead and stamp both of our greetings. Less tricks, more treats. And then the Spooky Treats. Okay, the Spooky Sweets is going to be cut out with the 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And then the Less Tricks, More Treats is going to be punched out with the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. Okay, then we're going to use the brand new black foil sheet. We're going to punch out the 1 3/8 scallop circle punch. And then we're going to bring in the 1 3/4 inch circle punch. Punch one of those out. Then don't forget our bats. We're going to punch out 3 bats. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and layer these together. Okay, then we're going to put mini dimensionals on the back of our bats. The mini dimensionals work perfectly with those. So I'm going to grab my paper piercing tool. Just add those dimensionals on the back of the bats. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and decorate the front of our little matchbook. So I'm going to put adhesive on all the 4 squares. Okay, so let me see here. I think I want the polka dot one on the front, or on the top row. And I'm not going to really press it down until I like the looks of the design on the front. So I already know that I got to move this one over a little bit. There we go. Okay, then we're going to put the purple one right below that one. And then the stars right below those stripes. So cute. All right, then we're going to go ahead and put our spooky treats on the front. We're going to pop this up on a dimensional. I'm going to put this right in the center of those 4 little squares. Okay, then we're going to pop up our bats. I'm going to put 2 along the top. And then keeping the larger one for the bottom to cover up the staple. Then we're going to staple the little matchbook together here. So this is where the matchbook comes together. Hopefully that's showing up on camera. So there's a little flap here that this is going to get tucked into right here. But before we do that, we got to take our little pocket. We're going to slide this all the way in to the bottom of our matchbook right there between the basic black piece right about there. And then you can kind of look from the side to make sure it's all the way down. Then we're going to grab a stapler and we're going to staple not all the way down, but we want to have enough room so this can be able to be tucked inside of here. So keep that in mind when you're stapling it. You want to come down a little bit, just like that. But you want to be able to hold the pocket inside of there too. So then this is going to close up just like that. Okay, so then for the other bag, I'm going to put that right over top of the staple. Isn't that cute? And then this little greeting here is going to go on the front. Just like that. Let me get my other Ghirardelli here. We're going to put that in the little pocket there. Isn't that cute? And it just closes up like that. Adorable. So then here's the other one. Now this one I use the basic black cardstock inside, so it really, you can't go wrong with whatever you use for the little pocket. It's still really super cute. Okay, so then let me show you the copper one again. So I'll have the link down below for the copper version that we made in the glitter pit yesterday if you want to check that one out. I'll have all the items listed below for both of the projects down below this video, okay? And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.